Fcid Annex Lagos under my watch is committed to combating criminal activities, protecting critical national assets and infrastructure, safeguarding legitimate businesses, and ensuring that perpetrators of criminal activities are brought to justice in accordance with extant laws of the Federation and the federating states. An assumption of duty on the 30th of March 2026 as the AIG Fcid Annex, I committed to improving the investigative capacity of personnel through training, infrastructural upgrade, and robust collaboration with relevant stakeholders for enhanced service delivery and winning the hearts and minds of members of the public and elicit their trust. In furtherance of the foregoing, in addition to in-house trainings, through weekly leadership meetings with sectional heads, general lectures by the AIG, the officer in charge of Legal Directorate has always given lectures on principles of investigation, respect for human rights, and ethical conduct. Within the time from 30th March to date, the Annex has trained 30 detectives on crypto tracing analysis and investigation in collaboration with the United States Diplomatic Security Services, Regional Security Office, and Internal Revenue Service through the United States Consulate General, Lagos. 6 personnel have benefited from the Lagos State Security Trust Fund training of enhancing professional capacity, ethical standard, and interagency collaboration for effective operations, while sundry trainings have been scheduled by the Inspector General of Police, in which personnel of the Annex have been nominated. In the area of infrastructure upgrade, some legacy projects are ongoing. These include the construction of the Sentry slab. You can see it as you've entered the compound. The photo stand is under construction. Installation of a solar system to light the general area of the office signage, and renovation of the holding cells. The area of welfare, personnel are granted leaves and permissions to attend to pressing family issues. They are advised to undertake regular medical checks and fully utilize the police medical services at the police hospital, Falomo, and the clinic at the Annex. To enhance robust collaboration with stakeholders, the AIG has visited revered royal fathers, Honorable Chief Judge of Lagos State, a domestic and sexual violence agency, the Assistant Controller General of Corrections, Zone A, the Comptroller of Immigration, Lagos State Command, and attended the Nigerian Army Women Quarterly Workshop and Nigerian Army School of Finance and Administration. The Annex has hosted His Excellency the Consul General of the Republic of Lebanon, Mansour Chaya, Director, Investigation and Enforcement, and Chairman, Federal Task Force, National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, Dr. Martins Iluyomade, Fellow Security Institute, the Nigerian Bar Association Lagos Branch, National Association of Nigerian Students, Southwest Chapter, National Association of Northern Nigerian Students, and various socio-cultural associations. In the area of investigation, a total of 1,762 letters of complaints were received during the period under review. 18 of them were referred to the various state commissioners of police to treat, while 19 were for comments by the various sectional heads here, while 1,725 were referred for investigation and report. Currently, 56 cases are concluded and processed in various courts, while the outstanding cases are at various stages of investigation and legal vetting and advice. The International Police Organization, National Crime Bureau of the Annex, has rescued 45 persons from traffickers. 4 human trafficking suspects were arrested, and 4 arrested on watch list and red notice. 2 were arrested outside the country and were brought back in country, and 3 persons were repatriated. Gentlemen, permit me to mention recent significant cases and successes by the Fcid Annex Lagos. These are cases involving vandalism of telecom infrastructure, unlawful possession of firearms, criminal counterfeiting of products, and obtaining money under false pretenses. Arrest of suspected telecom facility vandals and recovery of firearms and stolen items and vehicles. Following credible intelligence regarding the activities of a criminal syndicate specializing in vandalism and theft of telecom infrastructure within the Oyobo area of Alimosho local government area of Lagos State, operatives of the Annex swung into action on the 19th June 2026 about cable cutter, 1 large wrench, 1 large iron cutter, 2 bundles of ropes, 1 tricycle with registration number FST 552QQ, 1 Bajaj tricycle with registration number KNN 528, registered in Ogun State, 1 Toyota Camry vehicle, ash in color, with registration number LSD 576 CL, and 1 Toyota Sienna, registration number LSS 599 JN. Preliminary investigation indicates that the recovered items were employed in the vandalism of telecom installations and other critical infrastructure across Lagos State. Efforts are ongoing to apprehend other fleeing members of the syndicate, while the suspects will be charged to court on relevant charges upon completion of investigation. Alleged illegal importation and criminal counterfeiting of baby secret cream. The department received a letter of complaint alleging conspiracy and counterfeiting of products from Flawless Cosmetics. They allege that the illegal importation of and counterfeiting of their company's trademark known as baby secret cream. Investigation revealed that a warehouse located at Shop 30, Sambisa area, Balogun Trade Fair Market, were housed some of these illegally produced items, and while the investigation was ongoing, some elements unlawfully gain access and remove a substantial quantity of those products. However, the investigation team has recovered 331 cartons of the counterfeited products branded as baby secret cream from the warehouse within the trade fair area of Lagos State. Some unsuspecting peddlers of the alleged counterfeited products were arrested and assisting the investigators in locating additional storage facilities, recovering of further exhibits, and apprehending the fleeing mastermind of the illegal importation and counterfeiting. Lastly, we talk about the case of obtaining money by false pretense, cheating, and illegal procurement of abortion. The department is also investigating a case of alleged obtaining of money by false pretense and sundry offenses reported through a petition by one Mr. Olajide against his fiancée. The petitioner alleged that the suspect falsely represented to him that she was pregnant and subsequently obtained various sums of money from him under the guise of antenatal care, medical treatment, and other pregnancy-related expenses. The total amount allegedly obtained during the period stood at 16,170,000 naira. Discreet investigation led to the arrest of the accused person and a nurse attached to a private medical facility. And in addition to investigation revealed that the pregnancy was allegedly terminated at about 5 months of gestation at that facility in Ajah area of Lagos State. And this procurement or the procedure was allegedly carried out for personal reasons, not on the grounds of medical necessity or threat to the life of the pregnant woman. 2 suspects have been arrested and have been remanded at Krikri Correctional Center, while investigation is ongoing to arrest the medical director of the hospital who admittedly procured the illegal abortion in conjunction with the nurse. In conclusion, I most sincerely thank the Inspector General of Police, IGP Olatunji Rewan Disu, past staff College Daga, Nigeria Police Medal, for the opportunity to serve as an Assistant Inspector General of Police Fcid Annex, Lagos. On behalf of the officers and men of the Annex, I further pledge our undivided loyalty and commitment to the IGP's policy of people-centric policing, I beg your pardon, respect for human rights and liberties, and rule of law. I want to thank the Deputy Inspector General of Police for Fcid, DIG Margaret Agebe Ochala, for her guidance and support in cascading the IGP's policy agenda for the overall effective service delivery of the department. Thank the well-meaning members of the public for the tremendous cooperation in the course of our duties. Appreciation goes to financial institutions, government agencies, the judiciary, sister law enforcement agencies, corporate bodies, and individuals